Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I tried for the first time. My daughter has been asking me to make it for a long time and I just kept on lingering it, but today I tried to make it. So here it is, my very delicious 3-fruit jelly cake. Hope you like it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. First of all, I take 250 grams of peaches and some of the syrup from the tin and I blend it together to make a smooth puree. After that, I put it in a pan and add 6 grams of vegan gel powder. I mix it while it is cold. I give it a really good stir so that the powder can dissolve in the syrup and there are no lumps remaining. And then I turn the heat on. I cook it for at least 5 to 7 minutes until I see that the syrup is getting thicker. Then I drain it and leave it to cool down. And then I prepare my next jelly, which is made of raspberries. So 250 grams of raspberries, frozen raspberries, and I blend all the raspberries in a blender and then stain it to remove all the pips and seeds out of it. Again, repeat the same process. 6 grams of powder vegan jelly powder. I give it a good mix and then I turn the heat on. I add 3 tablespoons of sugar because raspberries have a tartness in them, so to make it sweet I add sugar. Cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. As you can see, it is now bubbling, and then I leave it to cool down. Once I see that my peach jelly is set, then very slowly I slide the raspberry juice onto it, the raspberry jelly onto it. Then let it cool again. While these two jellies are setting, I prepare a mango jelly. So 250 grams of mango syrup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 packet of vegan jelly powder. Repeat the same process. As it is slightly warm, you put it on the other jellies. But I made a mistake here. My jelly was really hot, and that is the mistake you need to avoid. Your jelly syrup should be warm, not hot. Otherwise you will end up with a jelly like mine. But it tasted delicious. It was really yummy. Apart from the fact that at some point it got mixed up with the other one, but it was really delicious. It was really yummy. I can't tell you how yummy it was and how refreshing all the flavors were. So I would encourage you to make it at home. Do try it, give it a try. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, but I hope you don't repeat the mistake that I did. And I have learnt my lesson, but I tried to decorate it and it looked so nice. So nice. It looked really cute. So guys, I'll see you next time in my next video, and hope you have a good week ahead. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more videos, click the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future videos. And keep supporting me. God bless you. Bye bye.